Friends, growing an e-commerce brand often means managing multiple tools at the same time. Marketing lives in one platform, customer support in another, and analytics somewhere else entirely. As a result, teams spend more time connecting systems than building better buyer experiences. Klaviyo is an AI-powered B2C CRM designed to bring marketing, service, and customer data together in a single platform. Instead of relying on disconnected tools, brands can manage relationships, automate workflows, and personalize experiences using real-time data. My name is Daniel, and today we are taking a look at Klaviyo. In this video, we'll connect Klaviyo with Shopify and test its key features in practice. We'll see how it brings marketing and support into one platform for e-commerce brands. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Folks, Klaviyo is an AI-powered B2C CRM built specifically for consumer brands. Instead of separating marketing, customer service, everything stays connected in one system, so brands can manage the buying journey without switching between separate platforms. What makes it different is that the platform combines marketing automation, customer engagement, analytics, and AI-powered tools in one place. As a result, businesses can use this to deliver more personalized experiences while reducing manual work and strengthening customer relationships throughout the entire buying journey. Folks, now let me show you how Klaviyo works in practice. The first is campaigns. These are one-time marketing sends, such as a weekend promotion, a product launch announcement, or any other scheduled message you want to send to your audience. You can build campaigns, schedule them in advance, and Klaviyo will automatically send them at the exact time you've selected. The second tool is flows. This is where automation comes into play. Instead of manually sending messages, you can build automated sequences that are triggered whenever a customer takes a specific action. For example, friends, when someone subscribes to your newsletter, Klaviyo can automatically send a welcome email series. A few days later, you can follow up with another message, encouraging the customer to connect with your brand on social media. The entire workflow runs automatically in the background. And honestly, this is one of the biggest advantages of automation. You build the workflow once, and Klaviyo continues running it for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Mates, now let's move to one of the most interesting features inside the platform – Marketing Agent. It's Klaviyo's built-in AI assistant, designed to help create marketing materials for your business. Once activated, it analyzes your business using all available company data. Klaviyo can automatically pull in your logo and brand colors, fonts, and even your brand's tone of voice. After you provide a brief business description, the agent starts generating personalized recommendations tailored to your brand. Guys, let's move into Customer Hub and connect Klaviyo with Shopify. The setup process is straightforward. I install the Klaviyo integration inside Shopify, connect my store, and confirm the integration. Once everything is connected, Customer Hub immediately begins syncing data with Shopify. This is where Klaviyo begins to demonstrate its strengths as a B2C CRM. Store activity, profile data, and marketing signals are connected in a single platform. It analyzes the business by using available data to automatically gather the information needed for personalization. Friends, the platform also tracks key customer actions in real time. For example, when someone starts the checkout process or places an order, that activity is immediately available inside Klaviyo. And this means every customer interaction can trigger an automated response. Instead of manually monitoring behavior, the platform can react automatically based on what people are doing inside your store. Now let's move to the service section, where Klaviyo provides two additional tools: Customer Hub and Agent. Guys, Customer Hub acts as a personalized customer portal directly on your website. People can log in and check their orders, personalize recommendations, and return options from one place. The second tool is Customer Agent. It is an AI-powered support assistant that works around the clock without requiring constant human involvement. You can configure the agent to follow your brand guidelines and communication style, allowing it to respond in a way that feels consistent with your business. Folks, because the agent is trained on your brand voice, it can provide responses that align with the way your company normally communicates. The agent can assist through email, web chat, and even WhatsApp. And if a request becomes too complex, it can automatically hand the conversation over to a human support representative. Klaviyo also includes 50 free conversations during the trial period, making it easy to test the experience before fully deploying it. By combining Customer Agent with your website, you can build an AI-powered support experience that answers questions and stays available 24/7 while keeping everything connected inside the same B2C CRM. Folks, after going through the platform, what stood out most to me is how much easier customer communication becomes when marketing, service, and data all live in the same place. Instead of relying on multiple disconnected tools, Klaviyo brings everything together into a single workflow. I also like the balance between automation and control. From automated flows and AI-powered campaign recommendations to Customer Hub and Agent, the platform is designed to help businesses stay responsive without adding more manual work. I personally think Klaviyo is an interesting option for e-commerce brands looking to create more personalized customer experiences. But whether it's the right fit for your business is completely your decision. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.